Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video lesson, we are going to look at a very interesting concept in mathematics which is known as the difference of two squares. Now in mathematics, when we have the difference between two squares, let's say in this case we have a squared minus b squared. Now this is the difference between this square and this square. So the difference between two squares is equal to the sum of the individual numbers a plus b times the difference of the individual numbers. Now we can check if this is true. So we take these factors a plus b and a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. So this a will multiply this bracket, that's a times this bracket, that's we have a times a minus b, plus b will also multiply this bracket. So we are expanding the bracket. So plus b times this bracket. So we have a times a will give us a squared. Then a times minus will give us minus ab. Then plus b times will give us plus ab. Then plus b times minus will give us minus b squared. Now minus ab plus ab is equal to 0. So at the end we have a squared minus b squared. So this tells us that actually the difference between two squares is equal to the sum of the individual numbers times the difference of the individual numbers. So we have some questions to evaluate using the knowledge of the difference of two squares. Already we know that 9 squared minus 3 squared is equal to 9 squared is equal to 81. That's 9 times 9 minus 3 squared is 9, and 9 minus 81 will give us 72. Now applying this knowledge of the difference of two squares, 9 squared minus 3 squared becomes 9 plus 3, remember the sum, times the difference 9 minus 3. Now 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 times 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Again 12 times 6 will give us 72. So in essence, the difference between two squares is equal to their sum times their difference. Now moving on to question 2, we have x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now 9 in mathematics is equal to 3 squared. So we can solve this entire expression as x squared minus 3 squared over x minus 3. Remember, apply the knowledge of the difference of two squares. We can write this entire numerator as x plus 3, then x minus 3. Remember the sum and then the difference over x minus 3. Now this is similar to this, then we can eliminate this and eliminate this. So therefore our final answer in this case is equal to x plus 3. So remember that the difference between two squares is equal to the sum of the individual numbers times the difference of the individual numbers. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video lesson and you learned something from this video lesson. Don't forget to like this video lesson and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and share the video lesson to your friends so that we can all learn together. Till you get to see my next video, do have a wonderful time.